Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best garage heaters. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. DREO 1500W Space Heater. Meet the DREO 1500W Space Heater, a compact, modern indoor heater designed to warm up your room quickly and safely with smart controls and quiet performance. Priced around $49.99, this heater delivers excellent value for money. You get premium features like oscillation, remote control, and a digital thermostat at a budget-friendly price. 1500W PTC ceramic heating, fast and efficient room warming. Digital thermostat, 41 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, set your perfect temperature. 70 degrees oscillation, spreads warm air evenly across the room. 1 to 12-hour timer, auto shut-off for convenience and safety. Remote control plus LED display, easy control from anywhere. Detachable filter, helps keep air cleaner. Quiet operation, ideal for bedroom, office, or study use. Multiple safety protections, overheat and tip-over protection. Pros: heats up rooms quickly. Very quiet for night use. Energy efficient with smart thermostat. Compact and portable design. Good safety features for peace of mind. Cons: best for small to medium rooms only. Not ideal for very large spaces. Plastic build feels lightweight. Number 4. DREO 1500W Space Heater. Meet the DREO 1500W Space Heater, a compact indoor tower heater designed to quickly warm up your bedroom, office, or large room with smart temperature control and ultra-quiet operation. Priced at just $21.67, this is an extremely budget-friendly heater. For this price, you're getting features usually found in higher-end models from DREO, making it a strong value pick if the pricing is accurate. 1500W Fast Heating, PTC ceramic, heats up rooms quickly. Adjustable thermostat, 41 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, precise comfort control. 70 degrees wide oscillation, spreads warm air evenly. Remote control plus digital display, easy smart operation. 12-hour timer, auto shut-off for safety and convenience. 5 heating modes, customize heat levels for different needs. 8 safety protections, includes tip-over and overheat protection. Quiet operation, ideal for sleep or focused work. Pros: very affordable price point. Fast and efficient heating performance. Strong safety features, 8 protections. Quiet and bedroom-friendly. Compact and easy to move around. Cons: build quality may feel lightweight. Best suited for small to medium rooms. Ultra-low price may raise durability questions. Not ideal for extremely cold large spaces. Number 3. DREO Space Heater. Meet the 2026 upgraded DREO 1500W Space Heater, a powerful portable indoor heater designed to quickly warm your bedroom, office, or home with smart controls and advanced safety features. Priced at around $49.99, this heater offers solid value for a premium-feeling device from DREO. You get fast heating, remote control, and strong safety protection in one compact unit. 1500W PTC ceramic heating, fast and efficient warmth. Adjustable thermostat plus digital display, precise temperature control. Remote control operation, adjust settings easily from a distance. 12-hour timer, automatic shut-off for convenience. 5 heating modes, flexible comfort settings for different needs. Advanced safety system, includes child lock, overheat protection, tip-over protection, and flame-resistant materials. Quiet operation, perfect for sleep, study, or office work. Compact tower design, space-saving and easy to move. Pros: heats up rooms quickly and evenly. Strong safety features, great for families. Quiet performance for night use. Easy to control with remote plus digital panel. Modern, compact design. Cons: best for small to medium rooms. Premium features come at higher price than budget heaters. Not ideal for very large open spaces. Number 2. DREO 16-inch Fast Heating Space Heater. Meet the DREO 16-inch Fast Heating Space Heater, a powerful portable indoor heater designed for quick, even warmth in your bedroom, office, or home. Priced at around $142.09, this is a premium segment heater from DREO. It's built for users who want faster heating, better coverage, and smarter energy control compared to budget models. Large PTC ceramic heating system delivers fast and consistent heat. 70 degrees wide oscillation spreads warmth evenly across larger rooms. Adjustable digital thermostat, 41 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, precise temperature control. Fast heating performance, warms up spaces quickly. Eco mode, helps reduce energy usage automatically. Remote control plus digital display, easy and convenient operation. 12-hour timer 112H, scheduled heating and auto shut-off. Overheat protection plus safety systems, safer long-term use. 16-inch tower design, better airflow and room coverage. Pros: strong heating power for medium to large rooms. Energy-saving eco mode. Quiet and comfortable for sleep or work. Wide oscillation improves heat distribution. Premium build and stable tower design. Cons: higher price compared to basic heaters. Larger size may take more space. Not necessary for small rooms or minimal heating needs. Number 1. Dr. Infrared Carbon Infrared Patio Heater. Meet the Dr. Infrared Carbon Infrared Patio Heater, a powerful indoor heating solution designed for instant radiant warmth whether you use it freestanding or wall-mounted. Priced around $128.34, this premium heater from Dr. Infrared Heater delivers strong performance for indoor spaces and covered outdoor areas, making it ideal for cold weather comfort. Carbon infrared heating technology, instant, efficient radiant heat. Remote control included, easy operation from anywhere. Adjustable tilt head, directs heat exactly where needed. On-off timer function, energy-saving scheduled use. Freestanding or wall-mounted design, flexible installation options. Tip-over protection, optional on-off safety feature, added safety control. Fast heat output, warms people directly, not just air. Sleek black design, modern look for home or patio setups. Pros: instant heat with infrared technology. Works well for targeted heating areas. Flexible mounting, wall or tripod. Quiet operation with no fan noise. Good for indoor plus semi-outdoor spaces. Cons: not ideal for heating entire large rooms evenly. Infrared works best when you are in direct range. Installation needed if wall-mounted. If you like this heater, check the link in the description for today's price and deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smart home product reviews and top picks.